Hello and welcome to Superbike School UK. Join me, Sheila Nair, as we follow three very different riders through the school. Journalist and seasoned racer Al Fagan is no stranger to the track.
I'll be happy walking away this afternoon with everything flowing and correct. So.
400-metre Olympian Derek Redmond has won gold at World, Commonwealth and European levels.
I felt like a novice again. They completely broke everything down and it was almost like starting from scratch, which is good.
And then there's me. After a break from two wheels, I'm raring to get back in the saddle. Nice to be doing something physical with the bike rather than just thinking all the time. There's information overload sometimes, and it's just really good to actually just get in and ride the bike. I mean, it's a lovely track anyway. It's a lovely day.
Oh, so much better.
Did you notice the difference between the rights and the lefts?
Is that where you want to go?
No.
Right, okay.
The rubber glove. It's not just me.
It's not you, it's the bike.
You don't think about, oh, I've got a chicane coming up. I'm going to put my knee here. I've got to get my bum across, and then I'll put my other knee across, and vice versa. I'll have a sort of at the end of the day.
So do you think you might go and do level 3?
Definitely.
That's your body position.
Well, yeah, I will go back and do level 3 and level 4. In fact, I'm hoping to get them done later this year.
I want you to ride at a speed that allows you to do it correctly, because this is what brings it all together.